Today we shall start with labor variances. Okay, so we'll start with the poem. Costing really is easy मेरे यार. Costing really is easy मेरे यार. Okay, so costing C, labor cost variance, really are labor rate variance, is labor idle time variance, easy labor efficiency variance, मेरे labor mix variance, and यार labor yield variance. Okay, now let us start with the formula for each of the variances. First we'll start with labor cost variance. So labor cost variance is standard cost or standard labor cost for actual output minus actual labor cost. Okay, standard labor cost for actual output minus actual labor cost. So what is the formula for standard labor cost? Standard rate multiplied by standard hours SH for AO, actual output, multiplied by actual rate into actual hours for actual output. Okay, actual hours will always be for actual output, but still, okay, actual hours for actual output. Next is labor rate variance. Okay, labor rate variance's formula goes as standard rate SR minus AR. Okay, difference between standard rate minus actual rate, SR minus AR, multiplied by Akash, AH. We are going like Akash, so it's AH. Fine, that is actual hours. Labor idle time variance means when a labor is sitting idle. Okay, that is standard rate multiplied by abnormal idle time. Next is labor efficiency variance. Okay, efficiency is standard hour minus actual hour multiplied by surrounding space, that is SR. Okay, standard hour minus actual hour multiplied by SR, that is surrounding space. And just a code word to remember. Okay, next is labor mix variance. Labor mix variance formula goes as revised standard hour minus actual hour for actual output multiplied by standard rate. Okay, there is a formula for revised standard hour that we'll explain later. I am coming to that formula. Okay, next is mixed variance. Mixed variance is revised standard hour minus actual hour for actual output multiplied by standard rate. Next is labor yield variance. Yield is standard hour for actual output minus revised standard hour multiplied by standard rate. Now how do we find this thing? Revised standard hour. Revised standard hour is total actual hours taken multiplied by standard hours required for a particular class of labor, or standard hour required for particular class of labor. Or you just remember this thing, standard hours required divided by total standard hours required for all classes of labor. Actually, why does a particular class and all class is coming? This is coming because we'll be doing yield variance and mix variance when there will be two categories of labor. Like suppose skilled labor, there are two varieties of labor, skilled and unskilled. Okay, so when there will be two varieties of labor, then we will be finding out mix and yield. Otherwise, if there is only one category of labor, that is either skilled or unskilled, then we will stop over here. Labor efficiency variance, we'll just find labor cost, labor rate, labor idle time variance and labor efficiency variance. Only when there are two categories of labor, we will go for labor mix variance and labor yield variance. Okay, so one more thing I should show you to cross check in the exam. Labor cost variance is equals to labor rate variance plus labor idle time variance plus labor efficiency variance, and labor efficiency variance is found out by labor mix variance plus labor yield variance. Actually, this curves goes like this. Labor cost variance has three parts: labor rate, labor idle time, labor yield variance. And labor yield variance is divided in two parts: labor mix variance, labor efficiency variance, labor rate variance, labor idle time variance, labor efficiency variance. Labor efficiency variance is divided into labor mix variance and labor yield variance. Okay, so we end this video over here. Next video I will be discussing a sum on standard costing. It is on labor cost variances.